Assalamualaikum student wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Humaira Firdaus, I am your social teacher from United Public School of Sandur. So in 8th class in social studies we have started a 17th chapter, that is understanding poverty. So in this lesson we have discussed some topics like distress in rural areas and chronic poverty, hunger. This discussed. So today I am going to tell you about. So today's topic is for you student. Food inequality. Like scientists do experiments in the laboratories and generate data for social science. Surveys are valuable sources of data and constitute evidence for analysis. National Simple Survey is one such survey conducted by the government of India. Know about to the economic and social conditions of the people. Survivors interviews large number of households across the country and compile this information on your large number of households. So what you are saying student, food inequality nothing but, so we have not getting foods properly, so that is known as food inequality. Okay, so this is the about we have discussing ma. So here what saying before, like scientists will do experiments about how the survey is going on, about the condition of the people, and survey interview large number of households across the country. Okay, so and compile this information on what value our items ma. Okay, our items what we eat daily. Okay, so this is the simple national simple survey is one such survey conducted by the whom government of the large number of households. Okay, so this data is then used by researchers. Who researchers nothing but who will research. Okay, to what understand what is happening to employment, spending capacity of people, schooling, health, access to drinking water, etc. This data is particularly useful to know whether the government policy are moving in the right direction or not. Okay, so this is the about food inequality. So this is the saying how to do the spending capacity of people, about schooling, health, etc. So graph 1, what you are saying showing, we will see here. Graph 1 on calorie intake was drawn using information collected during National Simple Survey done in which year ma 2004. Okay, so here survey done in 2004. Researchers tried to look at the calorie intake per person. So we have to take some calories for food, how many calories we are getting. Okay, so researchers nothing but जो भी search करते हैं उन लोग को researchers बोलते हैं. Okay, tried to look the calorie intake per person and found the calorie intake differs widely across the poor and rich. Okay, and with a very low income can spend very little, the poorest, and the consumes 1624 kilocalories on an average. Okay, as the incomes and spending capacity increase, the calorie intake rises. The calorie intake the poorest continue to be much less than the calorie intake of the top quarter of the population, despite the poor needing more calories because of manual work. Here graph showing, you see. Graph 1 calorie intake per person per day in rural India. You see here calories, bottom quarter, second quarter, third quarter, top quarter. You see 1624, 1900, 2143, 2521. So this is the showing. First I shown a bottom quarter, how many? 1625 calories per 25%. You see expenditure. So properly how the people are doing this, all these showing in the, for a very large percentage of people, their daily food intake does not meet the calorie requirements. All the people whose food calorie intake falls below the calorie standard can be considered as poor. Okay, so expenditure here means spending on household items like food, clothing, footwear, ration, education, medical care, fuel, lighting, house rent, etc. So all this come under the medical households, like foods, like my food nothing but what we will eat, clothing what we wear, footwear like chappals, sandals, etc. Education, medical care like medicines, all the health problem, lighting, house rent, etc. In every 2004, every person in the bottom quarter, you see in the 2004 bottom quarter here. So he is could spend less than 340 per month per person. Example, even less than rupees 12 a day on these essential items of living. Okay, so in the second quarter we are spending how much? A little more, and so on. as the other feature on the axis of the spending rises. So here in this graph, what you are saying, showing what we take calories per a person daily. So in this graph is showing, okay, in rural India, not in a urban area. Okay, I will give you homework. So today's homework for you student, 8th class student, this is the keywords. Today's homework you undernourishment first question, second question agriculture growth, third one is directory principle, fourth one public works, fifth one social audit, sixth one below poverty line, public distribution system. So this is the keywords for you. 7 question answers important. Send it in group. Okay, write in notes and send it in group. Thank you so much for listening my class. Inshallah we'll meet in the next class.